Kelly, and I'm back with another layout today. And today's layout is going to be Halloween themed. You can probably get that from the products you're looking at right here. So I'm starting this layout off with 3 photos, and then I want to put them in some sort of cluster here. I love that star paper there from the Doodlebug Booze and Brews collection. It's the Matter Splatters paper, and these photos were kind of hard to find a paper that worked with them because there's so much going on in the pictures themselves. So I really did like this particular paper. That card there is a printable from Ellie's Studio that says Spooktacular Details. So, which I realized as I picked this layout up to start the voiceover, I still have not journal on, so I need to do that before I put it away, which I will have to look it up because I don't have a date to put it away by, so that will definitely help. So then I'm cutting that into kind of basically a square shape, a little bit of a rectangle, but almost a square. And I really loved that striped paper. There's so many colors in this layout. I decided I really wanted to bring that out even more. Kind of the white paper gives your eye a rest, and then the striped paper has all the colors in it. And that is also from the Doodlebug Booze and Brews collection, and that's BOOS. This is the Trick or Treat stripe. That collection is from 2016, so you probably won't be able to find it except in a little piece here and there. I had gotten a gift certificate from a subby, thank you Rhonda, and I chose to get some Halloween papers and some fall papers with it because those stashes were getting a little low for me, and I wanted some stuff that was a little bit more themey for both of those things. So now I'm going to, and by the way, that Ellie Studio printable is probably still available on their website if you're interested. I've grabbed that dream word, and that foam word is from the Amy Tangerine thickers. It's the Today thickers in black, and I just kind of have them sitting on in that pile of stuff I want to use up, that pack of thickers. There's a lot of words now that are like, I don't know, that maybe I won't end up using, but this is definitely one that I wanted to use. So then I was looking at that. So like, you know, right there, R, that kind of a thing. I was looking at that little sheet of words and icons to the right, and now I'm also kind of looking at this package of die cuts, which is, I'm using that Sugar Rush die cut. It was a speech bubble, but I cut off the little end that would make it a speech bubble. So that is from the Bella Boulevard Sweet and Spooky Ephemera Words pack. I'm just kind of looking to see what else might be in that pack that I can use. And it's very brightly colored. As a matter of fact, you know, these two collections were not made at the same time, but Bella Boulevard and Doodlebug are very similar. And they're now made by Stephanie from Bella Boulevard still does the designing, but Doodlebug actually does all the production and shipping now. So totally, this partnership totally makes sense, and the packs really go together. All right, so I did find one piece there, and then I decided to call this Halloween Dream. That Halloween is from the Hobby Lobby Halloween Crafts. It's the puffy Halloween word stickers, but those are from 2017, so I've had them a long time and I hadn't used many. I decided that I did like that die cut that was up there, but it was too many words altogether, so now I'm kind of looking at what can I use. I don't love the fact that that cat is facing out, but it's okay. And I do really like that. I found the ghost. I like that witch's hat. Still thinking about that ghost there. And then I decided this witch's hat looks really cute down here in the bottom cluster. And these are kind of they're not a puffy sticker, they're thicker. They're more like an enamel dot, but they're larger. And words sometimes. All right, so I really like the way that looks. That gives me a little bit of a spot. Oh, and I just realized I did do the journaling on here because I did it on that Sugar Rush Party thing. So I don't need to do any more journaling. I guess that's just a placeholder for design. And I do like that because it gives you some relief. So I'm still looking at that, the Hobby Lobby stickers there, and I found that spider, so it was kind of nice. Sorry guys, I just whacked the microphone with my fingers. Anyway, that I have those two kind of stickers sitting opposite each other, and then I took the ghost off and added a pumpkin on the top right by the title. I just kind of liked the way that looked better than the white. So I'm still trying to figure out what else I can use on here. And I see this little kind of bannery piece that says Scary Good, and that is from a Bella Boulevard trinkets sheet. And I don't remember what collection it is. I forgot to write it down. But I do know that that was Bella Boulevard for sure. And then I was thinking about maybe moving that and realized, yeah, that's not coming off of there. So that's gonna stay. That's the sheet that it came from, and I can't tell you which collection, but it is definitely Bella Boulevard. Might actually be the Sweet and Spooky collection. I think it is because I bought those at the same time. But they were like, you know, little leftovers on sale and that kind of stuff when I bought them. Still trying to decide if there's anything else that I want to do here. I'm looking at these L Studio puffy stickers to see if maybe that'll work. I didn't find any die cuts, any more die cuts. So many of those had words or just weren't appropriate. So I'm still trying to figure out, I want something else and I'm not quite sure what it is. And then in that pile of stuff, I have these Kaiser Craft pearls in that green color. And those are old. But the green is, it's not the exact green, but it's close. So I'm going to use those on here and put some by each of the clusters. And really this story is about, we went to Goddess and the Baker after a run and had breakfast, and it looked so good that my brother-in-law, my sister, and I each bought a treat. And then I bought 3 ghost cookies for my grandkids. You can kind of see the ghosts there. So that's why all the yummy and deliciousness. I do love their breakfasts, and oh my gosh, I've had their salads, and their treats are delicious. The cool part is here, guys, I am actually going to use up every one of those pearls. And I accidentally flipped that one. And I lost it, and I still have not found it. And this has been, I don't know, 2 weeks since I've done this layout. Maybe not quite that much, maybe only a week or so. But anyway, it's been a long time, and I never did. I scrapbooked again after this, and I never did find it. So someday when I move, I will probably find it. But just added 3 in each of the cluster to help complete this. All right, guys, then when I am done, the still shot, and I'm like all excited there because I've used that up because those have been sitting there. The still shot and a couple of detail shots are coming up. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye.